Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem. Put the glasses on and look straight ahead. Note which lens drops or which temple lifts. Once done, clean the frame and lenses so dirt doesn't hide the issue, then lay the glasses on a flat surface to see tilt. Measure temple length and nose pad height with a ruler and gather a small screwdriver, jeweler's pliers, and a gentle heat source. These checks let you act with precision rather than guessing adjustments. Now you perform the main corrections. If a temple sits high, loosen the hinge a hair so you can rotate the temple down, tighten after a tiny shift. For plastic frames, warm the temple gently and bend 1 to 2 to 3 millimeters. For metal, use pliers at the end piece to create a matching curve. Adjust nose pads in equal steps so the bridge centers, testing on your face after each change to ensure balance, comfort, and consistent visual alignment. Finish by tightening all screws and confirming symmetry. A drop of clear nail polish or thread locker prevents loosening. Put the glasses on for 10 to 15 minutes while moving your head naturally. If they slide or create pressure, make micro adjustments to temples or pads and retest. If the frame feels unstable, warped beyond small bends, or you see cracks, stop adjusting. Seek a professional optician. Troubleshooting tip. Persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.